Welcome back to the channel Future Speed Hub 2026. Today we are going to dive into an interesting topic that connects both history and military engineering, the Yatagan. The name itself has a deep historical meaning, as it was originally associated with a type of Ottoman Turkish sword, but in the world of armored vehicles and tanks, Yatagan is also the designation of a French main battle tank prototype that was developed as an export variant of the famous Leclerc. This machine reflects the intersection of technological innovation, market demands, and battlefield requirements, making it a fascinating subject to explore. The Yatagan was designed during the late 1990s by the French company GIAT Industries, which is today known as Nexter. The purpose behind its creation was to offer a tank specifically tailored for export customers who were interested in NATO standard ammunition and wanted to benefit from the advanced systems of the Leclerc while keeping compatibility with widely used 120mm smoothbore NATO rounds. Unlike the standard Leclerc, which was armed with a 120mm GIAT smoothbore gun using unique French ammunition, the Yatagan adopted a NATO standard Rheinmetall gun with a bustle-mounted autoloader. This was a major adaptation because most export customers preferred logistical simplicity and interoperability within NATO standards. One of the striking features of the Yatagan was its design modifications. Instead of the Leclerc's original autoloader located behind the turret, the Yatagan's design shifted to a bustle autoloader in the rear of the turret. This change not only aligned with NATO practices but also improved crew safety, since the ammunition was stored in a compartment with blow-off panels that would vent an explosion away from the crew compartment. This brought the tank closer in line with designs like the American M1 Abrams and the German Leopard 2, which emphasized crew survivability in case of ammunition detonation. In terms of mobility, the Yatagan shared much of the Leclerc's advanced automotive systems. It had a powerful diesel engine with more than 1,500 horsepower, giving it exceptional acceleration and agility compared to many tanks of its era. It also featured advanced suspension and a lighter weight than some of its NATO counterparts, which allowed for high speed and excellent maneuverability across diverse terrain. The balance between firepower, mobility, and protection made the Yatagan an appealing concept on paper for countries looking for a cost-effective yet highly capable battle tank. However, despite its technological promise, the Yatagan never entered mass production. It was primarily developed with the Turkish army in mind, as Turkey in the 1990s was evaluating options for modernizing its armored forces. The Yatagan competed against several international designs in Turkey's tank competition, but in the end, Turkey decided to go in another direction, which later led to the development of the domestically produced Altay tank. With Turkey declining the Yatagan, and no other major export customers stepping forward, the project remained a prototype and demonstration vehicle. Even though it did not achieve commercial success, the Yatagan project was far from wasted. It demonstrated the flexibility of the Leclerc platform and provided valuable lessons for the industry in terms of designing tanks for export markets. It showed that adapting core technology to meet the standards and expectations of different military clients is essential in the global defense market. Many of the innovations and adaptations tested in the Yatagan were studied and influenced design considerations for later projects. When we look at the Yatagan today, it stands as a reminder of how competitive and complex the international arms market is. Countries often prefer solutions that meet their logistical chains, political alliances, and industrial capabilities. The Yatagan's story highlights how even advanced and capable designs can struggle to find a place if they do not align perfectly with customer needs and strategic goals. For enthusiasts of armored warfare, it remains a fascinating, what-if, scenario, a tank that could have been widely adopted but instead exists only as a unique chapter in tank development history. Thank you for watching and joining me today on Future Speed Hub 2026 as we explored the story of the Yatagan tank. Its combination of innovation, adaptation, and unrealized potential makes it an important subject for anyone interested in military technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the fascinating world of tanks, aircraft, and cutting-edge machines. I will see you in the next video.